How's it going, YouTube? It's Cody here from Big Time Battery. More or less, today's video is going to be focused on when purchasing a battery, what you should consider in terms of the warranty. A lot of people tend to think battery is just a battery and brand doesn't really make a difference. But you should really take into consideration not only the brand, but the service they provide. For example, so Banshee brand batteries is our house brand. It has the longest warranty in the industry, so 4 years. As opposed to a lot of these other battery companies, I'll have some here in a minute to show you, but their warranties, they're extremely bad. I mean, in terms of length, it's like 1 year, 2 years. And I think we might be the only company that offers a 3-year battery as well, but Banshee is the one we're really pushing because it's a 4-year battery. So that's something when you're buying your battery to consider is, do I have a good warranty with this thing? If it does go bad, is there a customer service team that is going to provide excellent service and make my life easier in terms of getting a new one? And that's really what we strive in. We not only give an extremely good, durable product with a good warranty that we do honor, but we have a customer service team and 20 to 30,000, thousands and thousands of positive reviews online from customers that are happy all across the country. As well, like I said, our customer service team is excellent. You could call us up any day of the week throughout 8 a.m. to, I believe, 4:30 p.m. You'll get an actual human being on the phone. And like I said, if the battery does go bad or something is wrong with it, we honor our warranties very well. A lot of these companies, they're going to give you that 6-month warranty or that 1-year warranty. Your battery's going to go bad and they're going to make you jump through a bunch of hoops and all types of stuff like that. We don't do that over at Big Time Battery. And again, just when making your next battery purchase, consider the warranty, because it's something that a lot of people don't give long warranties, or they don't honor their warranties wholeheartedly. For example, there's a lot of companies that if you use your battery this way or you do something to it, they won't warranty it. But again, we're really good about all that. One point I wanted to cover as well. And one thing I also wanted to cover is, because we have a 4-year warranty, you would think that would make the battery extremely expensive or cost more than the other competitors. That's not necessarily true. We offer the highest warranty in the industry, and we also offer competitive prices. I'll show you here 2 pictures and comparisons, but our batteries aren't, a lot of other people, they're priced higher than us, and they don't even have a 4-year warranty. They have the same specs. Our specs are probably going to be better. For example, our 30 LBS, which you see in a lot of Harley Davidsons and stuff like that, compared to a Harley battery, I believe it's 6 months to a year warranty. This one's not only 4 years, but their cold cranking amps are a little over 400. Ours are over 500. So we're making a better battery at half the cost with a higher warranty. And we've just been doing it for 20 years. Big Time Battery is a small family-owned business. My father actually owns the company. And I mean, we've been doing this for 20 years. It's what we do. We provide excellent products, excellent customer service, and we really try to just make the battery world a little bit easier for the consumers out there that are actually using the products and applying these to their lives. It's at the end of the day, it is a battery, but make sure you're buying the best battery with the best warranty. And I mean, one thing to consider as well, the warranty directly correlates to the quality of the item you are receiving. So, for example, we wouldn't put a 4-year warranty on a battery we didn't feel confident that wouldn't last 4 years. That's why we have a 4-year warranty, is because we're confident that our product is made extremely well, and it's going to be better than most competitors and other batteries out there. So again, just consider that the warranty we have is the longest in the industry, and we do offer other brands that are 3, 2, and 1-year warranties. But why buy a 1 or 2-year battery when you could just get a 4-year and be covered for 4 years? That's the real question. It's been Cody over at Big Time Battery. Thanks for hanging out. You guys have a good day.